Okay, this video is for custom cage. We've ordered a FIA 2014 spec roll cage from you. The installation is done. The car is going today for powder coating. So before the powder coating, I wanted to do a video and show you where we're at for certification purposes, obviously. This video will be sent with the test weld tubes that we've done. So this is a Gc8, basically the front and wheel well were modified, obviously, to accommodate more tires and wider stance. Now if we look at the reinforcement of the front right shock tower, and obviously there's a tube coming in here, and if you look inside, same thing, the tube was basically closed up like this. Sorry about the movement. This is the left front tower, same type of reinforcement, same thing for tube installation here. The tube was closed here, obviously. If we go inside the cockpit, here you got a view of base of the pillar and the tube that protects the footwell, dash tube and triangulation. We did fix the A-pillar for the plate. We see the same thing on the driver's side. Here in North America we drive on the left side, you know that. Same thing here. Installation was done according to your specifications. Same thing here. We fixed the A-pillar. We also welded the tube to the A-pillar. We have for the top here, we've put brackets, 2 brackets, and fixed the front hoop to the roof. The electric sunroof was closed and covered with a 22 gauge steel plate. The main hoop is also fixed to the roof. 2 big weld spots there. If you look at the bottom of the B pillars, we have here the foot plate, welded 360 degrees and reinforced with B pillar fixation at the bottom. We have the same thing on this side. Now you have the X here and the gussets. Everything was MIG welded with T45 wire by a professional welder. All the welds are 360 degrees. Good penetration. I'm a welder, amateur welder, but I use a professional one because I thought that safety issues were mandatory here. This is how we did the seat fixation. So basically it's plated with 1/8 steel and it's welded. We have an insert, was done custom. On the other side here on the sills, the plate is continuous like this. According to the ASN rules here in Canada, we don't have to use bolts, we can weld those bars. So that was done accordingly to our Canadian rules. We obviously did also jack stand tubing here and here. jack stands. The main hoop was fixed to the B pillar using this plate here. As far as the rear towers, they were reinforced with 1/8 thick steel, and then the cage was fixed to that reinforcement. So basically, you see here, same thing on the other side. You see the reinforcement of the rear chuck towers. Here you got a full view of the cage, obviously. The rest of the car, we had obviously brackets, a rear bumper fixation, front bumper fixation, exhaust bracket. All the wheel wells were enlarged. Eventually there's a carbon body that goes over all this. If you want to look at the quality of the welds, well, basically a lot better than I could have done myself. So that's about it. Thank you very much.